Hi friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm participating in the DIY challenge hosted by Heidi from the channel Heidi. And the theme for this month was Valentine's. And so I thought I'll just set up this window seat area a little for Valentine's and do a small DIY. Without further ado, let's get started. For this project, you will need a frame of any size, and I am planning to use this napkin. I like this print. It's a more rustic print. I have some ribbon for decoration and nylon rope and some jute cord. And of course, hot glue gun, and I have these pretty paper clips which I'm going to use to attach my photos. Let's get started. I start off by dismantling the frame. I'm turning the picture over because it's got a plain base, and this would go well with my cloth of choice. I'm going to wrap the cloth around the paper. Next part, I'm going to which would look nice. A white string or a jute string. White string with pink heart, jute string with pink heart, both looks nice. Okay, I'm going to go with the white string. So just take the string and attach it to your frame with glue. Next, I'm going to attach some jute string to it using a hot glue gun. Push it down and hold it till the glue sets. As the glue is hot, I don't want to burn my fingers again. Now that we secured the twine in place, all you have to do is put it back together. I'm using the same cardboard and the backing. And your DIY frame is ready. Now to make over this place, the easiest way is to change the cushion covers. Let's get started. And that's it. Nothing says love more than hearts, some pink love quote. This is actually a verse from the Bible. 1 Corinthians chapter 13. Add some lace for extra romanticness. And that's it. Your DIY frame is ready. Thank you, Heidi, for this wonderful challenge. Please be sure to check the description for Heidi's channel and for the playlist to watch all the other lovely entries. Please show some love for everyone. And Heidi, here's wishing you all the very best. And please don't lose hope, dear. I know you're going through a lot with your son's bullying in school. May God bless you and make you a blessing to many. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.